I admit it, the only things lazier than me are my dogs. In fact, they're so lazy, sometimes they don't even make it outside to use the bathroom. That's why I decided to get myself a portable carpet cleaning machine. I found the Bissell Spot Bot Pet. You have an instruction manual, oxy spot and stain, hydro rinse self-cleaning hose tool, is your hand carpet scrubber right here, and this is the Spot Bot itself. It uses a regular grounded electrical outlet, and then you also have your automatic cleaning panel, and this is the spin brush that allows you to clean hands-free. Now let's clean some dog pee. You're going to want to unscrew the black cap and fill the tank up to the fill line here with hot water. Next, we're going to pour in our solution to this fill line here, which is approximately half this bottle. Then just screw the cap back on and place it back on the tank. Deep clean is for deep set in stains. And it's actually not that wet. Quick clean is for surface stains. The hands-free cleaning tool only gets a small area of your carpet. So for bigger stains, we're going to want to use the hose tool. And to demonstrate, I'm going to use a little bit of chocolate syrup so we can pretend that it's dog poo. This is your hose cleaner tool. To remove the brush, you just push on this little button right here and then put this right on the end of it. Turn the hose on. And now your hose is clean. Now all we have left to do is pack it away. If you're interested in this product, I will put a link in the description below. And for more product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching.